Your food production is up and running, but you might be running into walls with space, labor, or cost constraints for packaging your product. I'm Jared DeZazo, the Vice President here at Industrial Packaging, and I'm going to be answering the top 5 questions you might have when it comes to outsourcing your packaging with a supply chain services provider. I've been working here since 2001, and I've done almost every job on our supply chain services side of the business, and I've helped some major brands succeed with outsourcing their packaging with us. So what is supply chain services? First of all, it's primary food packaging. This is putting exposed food into a retail ready-to-use package. Secondly, there's secondary packaging, taking an already packaged good, combining it with other like items into a retail-ready package. Things like sacks, cubes, and trays. Retail-ready displays, putting product into a corrugated display that can be placed anywhere in the store and it's ready to be shopped. Kitting and rework. This is assembling items into a completed finished good or repackaging goods that aren't correct. So who's a good fit for this product? Well, manufacturing companies who want to make their product in bulk and leverage their efficiencies. Companies who are looking to commingle similar products and flavors into one easy-to-use retail package. Companies who are looking to put their products in different areas of the retail stores. Companies who are running out of capacity, maybe with space, or have difficulty accessing labor. There are also some companies who aren't a good fit. Some of these companies are startups, or if you have a small volume application and a large variety of SKUs, as well as anything liquid or powders. You'll have to have the capacity to manufacture or purchase what you want to be packaged. You've got a good understanding of the timeline that you want in order to get your products to the store. You understand what your packaging requirements will be, as well as any graphics have already been outlined. The end user or customer has committed to put these items in the store. So why do it? You'll now be able to focus on your core competencies. You'll have a fixed cost after manufacturing. You'll have the ability to scale these products up and down with changing markets. You can reduce your supply chain lead time to your customer or end user. If you choose not to move forward, you may not be able to move as quickly as your customer needs to, and you may lose some opportunities. You'll lose your ability to be the first to market with a new mix. By not focusing on your core competencies, some of your processes may begin to slip. As a single cost per unit, we will not be less expensive. If you factor in your space, overhead, materials, labor, overtime, opportunity cost, you will see a huge value. You will end up spending less by year end as a business by having these predictable costs. We're typically between 4 cents to 40 cents per unit, depending on how complex your project is. Reach out to us with what you're trying to accomplish. What's important to you, and what do you want to get out of this partnership? Have some samples sent out to us, and we can start the quoting process. From the time that you're ready to go, the samples are mocked up, and you want to start this partnership, it can take anywhere from 2 weeks to 6 weeks in order to get your products in here, repackaged, and back out to the market. All right, you've heard a lot about what industrial packaging can do and how we can grow your business with a great supply chain services provider. I hope you enjoyed this video and have more clarity on next steps. I invite you to check out the Supply Chain Services Cost Per Unit Calculator. This will help you get an idea of the expected price range for your project.